first class flight. That's my love language. I don't pack light, nah, but I don't add baggage. Round trips and mileage, don't know what time it is. Checked in, sunset vibe, breathe me in, come alive. New Bottega on my feet, Sandia and Tajín. Beach views from the room, post a pic from Tulum. Let's take a dip, guac and chip, no bass and a glossy lip. Gold chain sitting on my hip, Casamigos, take a sip. Would you take me to places I'd rather be? If it's you giving, baby, then I'll receive. And it don't matter the time zone or the city, 'cause you're making your home out of me, out of me. Yeah, out of me. You like my hair when it's wet, lashes done in a fresh new set. French toast sitting in the sand, vanilla skin, golden tan. Gaultier on my curves, you give me what I deserve. I'm your girl, you put me first. Thank you, baby, what's mine is yours. Would you take me to places I'd rather be? If it's you giving, baby, then I'll receive. And it don't matter the time zone or the city, 'cause you're making your home out of me, out of me. Yeah, out of me. Hey, bring the beat back, bring the beat back. Would you take me to places I'd rather be? I'm expensive, but your taste is luxury. And all the glitter and the gold don't mean a thing. You ain't never felt at home till you met me. You met me. I give you peace.